Here's today's tip on how to make your math professor fall in love with you, or ways to effectively communicate with your math professor. Ask a question. Every time you ask a question, you'll learn something. And chances are there are like 10 other people in the class that have the same exact question. And I know it's not always easy or comfortable to raise your hand and ask a question in math class. So here's what asking a question can look like. Go up to your professor after class and ask a question then. Hey, in class today you said the chain rule had 2 factors in the derivative. What do you mean by that? You can send an email. Hey, I listened to the disk method of finding the volume of a sphere, but I used the geometric formula for volume of a sphere and I got the same answer. How does that work? You can write and highlight a question at the top of your homework that you turn in. Hey, I used the quotient rule on number 32, but is there another way to do it because it got really complicated? You can visit your professor in office hours or help hours. This is a time that the professor sets aside for you to come in and ask any questions. Hey, I'd really like to go over an example of the washer method for finding a volume. Ask it through an online class page or discussion forum. Anybody else catch the thing that the professor said today? When the derivative is positive, the function is what? Ask another student or a tutor. Sometimes they have a better way of describing a concept or a topic, a way that might resonate with you more than the way the professor said it. Hey, do you have any tips on how to know when to use the chain rule, for example? I hope your communication with your professor goes well. Thanks for watching.